So my name is Bren Smith. I'm a lifelong commercial fisherman, and I'm the executive director of Greenwave. My story is a story of ecological redemption. I was born and raised in Newfoundland, Canada, dropped out of high school when I was 14 years old and headed out to sea. I fished the factory trawlers out in the Bering Sea, pulling up millions of pounds of fish, a lot of it dead bycatch, fishing in illegal waters. Then I went to the factory farms in northern Canada, fishing salmon. We were growing things that weren't fish and weren't food. They were chock full of antibiotics and pesticides and just polluting local waters. So after that, I went on a sort of search for sustainability. And what I love about fishing, I love the sort of hunt and the chase. I love the humility that comes with being in 60-foot seas. I love working alongside people for 30, 40-hour shifts at a time for months on end. The idea is not just how to harvest, grow food, but actually to turn the fisherman into somebody that improves environmental quality, actually restores, doesn't deplete. And really what it is imagine an underwater garden where on top you have floating lines, where seaweeds, scallops, mussels all grow vertically down into the water column, and then below that we have cages of oysters and clams. And at the same time we harvest salt. Our farms function as climate mitigators. So they capture 5 times more carbon than land-based plants. We soak up nitrogen, which is the cause of the growing dead zones. The farms function as artificial reefs, which reduce storm surge impacts on local communities. So we've really figured out how to restore rather than deplete and transform the fisherman into a restorative farmer, into a climate farmer, rather than somebody that's pillaging the seas. Anybody with 20 acres and a boat and $30,000 can start their own farm. I don't want to be the only one doing this. I want to see a future where there are thousands of people doing this around the globe. They're innovating, they're changing, and they're really building this industry. So what we did was created Greenwave, and Greenwave is the replicator and the scaler. It open sources my farming model. It trains fishermen with our floating classroom where they come, they're apprentices, they learn how to become ocean farmers. School kids also go through our program in the same way. And then we're building up the infrastructure of the new industry as well. So we create hatcheries, we have mobile processing units, we create seafood hubs, all the infrastructure that's needed for this new industry. We can't chase fish anymore. It's our last wild food, and we're at the end of that now. And it's heartbreaking, and I wish we weren't here as a fisherman. But the question is, can we break apart what the identity of a fisherman is? And fisherman is having a self-directed life, owning your own boat, not having a boss, working on the ocean, succeeding or failing on your own terms. That we can do by becoming ocean farmers. My name is Bren Smith, and I'm an Ashoka Fellow.